Hello, I'm Magical Maiden, and welcome to Magical Maiden's DIY Crafts. Okay, so I haven't done one of these in a while, but I just wanted to show you. This isn't per se a tutorial, but more as if just an idea. Okay, so this was a lamp that I did. Now I totally changed it because I changed my decor. My decor used to be black and red with a lot of leopard print with browns in it, and I had gold. But I changed when I moved into a house. I changed to the glam look. And the glam look, as most of you might not know, is mostly silver. Some people still use gold, but normally it would be different shades of gray, dark grays, light grays, some white, some black, and silver, and lots of bling. Crystal chandeliers, uh, crystal type lampshades with, crystals hanging from it, and just lots of bling, lots of glitter, things like that. So what I did was I took this lamp. Now this is what the lamp looked before. I really didn't have any pictures. I couldn't find it, so these are the best pictures I had. It was kind of a brass with kind of dry brushed gold on it. That's the way I bought it, with this beautiful red shade that I loved. It had beads and everything. So when I moved here, I wanted it more silver. So I bought a different lampshade, but I painted the base with the silver paint, in metallic silver paint, in a little jar that I got from Hobby Lobby. You can use any silver paint you want. You could even spray paint it. But what I did then was the lampshade, I glued some crystal stickers. They're like little crystal gemstone stickers, but I had to use glue because they're not going to stick on the material. So I had some big ones and little ones. And the little ones are iridescent. Now you can't really use a glue gun because then you'll see what it does to the back of the little gemstone, what or the crystal. Well, they're really acrylic crystal sticker plastic. So if you use a glue stick, a glue gun, what it's going to happen is you're going to see the glue underneath it, and it's going to ruin your look, and you won't get that shine and bling from it. So I use E6000 glue that dries clear with the toothpick, and I just put all the big ones first wherever I wanted, and then the little ones. Then to hang the crystals off it, I got some hooks from Amazon, and I'll put the link below in this video where I got those hooks. And these crystals, they look like glass, but they're really plastic, and I got a package of them at Hobby Lobby. And they have a mixture of a bunch of large ones like I used here and smaller ones. So there's enough in that one package, and I'll try to put the link for that as well if I can find it on a Hobby Lobby site. But if you go on Hobby Lobby in the jewelry section where they have the beads, you'll see it. So I used a push pin to make the hole, and then I put the hooks and hung that up. But it needed a little something extra bling, so I got some bling wrap. It's an adhesive sheet, and it had bling wrap. Now, they have ones with iridescence, and there's ones with this kind of bling wrap that's just like a silver. You can have a more gray or a white silver or gray silver, but I wanted it lighter, more blingy when the sun catches it or when any light catches it. So if you really want it to sparkle more, you can get the iridescent silver one. Of this, it's a simple transformation. It didn't cost a lot, and when you're changing your decor and your color, I had a lot of things that were gold and a lot of things that were brass and a lot of things that mixed in with my red and black decor. So I had to paint a lot of my items, mainly my lamps. Some were black. I spray painted or just hand painted with like a nice jar of metallic paints to give it that look, like it always came that way. So it's not that hard. So if you're looking for a craft, you might have to get a new shade. But I have another DIY way. I didn't get a new shade, but I used the frame of the old shade. So I will show you that in my next DIY craft idea. So it's simple. I just want to show you that it's so simple to transform your lamps. You might have to buy a new shade. You could repurpose your old shade by using the frame and putting some fabric. But this is what I did with this particular one. So be sure that you're subscribed and you click the notification bell so you're notified when I upload my next DIY craft idea, showing you how you can use the frames of your lampshade to create a new shade. Okay, so I hope this helped anyone to get an idea to maybe refurbish or refresh their lamps. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my videos. Please remember to like, share, and comment, even if it's just to say hello. Thanks for watching. Bye.